Finally, we're going to the last output for the project that owned by Mrs. Roman and Mr. Josh. So this client is taking so much time with us because they have like a wedding ceremony before. They need to go back to their country. They go back to Bali, and finally we continue discussing about how the project will be, and finally it's finished for the concept. But before we go through with everything, that I will discuss about their dream house, because they want to live here. Many changes, many adaptation before we have the land divide into three, divide into some part, and finally they only divide into two pieces. One for themselves, the biggest one, and some small part that's going to be the area that's going to be leased. We're going to discuss the main project, which is going to be their house. But before that, let's check about a little bit the land and situation that we have before in the previous video. Check this out. Okay, that was the previous video about them. So we got this client. So just a little bit flashback for the project situation. It turned out they didn't want to work with KDK because also KDK with Pak Wayan is very busy at the moment with so many projects that's happening. And also about the terms and condition that maybe that doesn't match together. Anyway, the project is already start. It's already built by another contractor. But before we will not review about the project. We will review about the design, more details. Let's go on the first page to discuss about the project. The total land that we have is 708 meters square. That's quite big, like 7 area. And the land is quite unique, the location here. The position, from the main road is going up. So the challenge here is how to create a balanced level. This is gonna be all the things that we need to be adapt in the design. And this is a common thing that we find. Example, it's easy to design in a flat land. But in this situation, we have like an angled land. So from the highest position to the lowest position regarding the access point. So this needs to be integrated really well. You can easily come to the site, you can access to the building, and you still have a beautiful view in front of you, because in front of this land is behind all the building, because the position of the land is quite high. After the road across the building side, they have like a very beautiful view, like a rice field. The land that used by the client is 527 square meters for their own self, for their own villa or house. So let's go on to the detail part. Ground building for floor area. So this is the ground floor area. The building is going to be, the land area is 528.03. That's the size, and this is going to be 3-bedroom villa, which is really big. Yeah. With this size, it's really, really big. The building is 159 square meters. That's for the ground floor. We have the terrace is 39.15 square meters. The pool deck is 23.7 square meters. The pool is 36.74, and the shape is organic, as you can see. The blue color there is the pool. The shape before we have a very long pool. And then they decide to put like an organic shape or natural shape. The garden is big, 253.28. So in case they will have a pet, the dog, they can do a gardening there also in some part. This is gonna be a really good size area. If you compare the building area and the green area, the real or the good thing is like this. The perfect one. If I said in architecture, if you do a design, if you put the building size compared to the land, it should be not more than 60% of the land size. And this is already below 50% of the land size, and it's good. So that was for the ground floor. And this is for the second story or the first floor area. It's 186 square meter. In here, it will be the area for the bedroom. All the bedroom will be here, and with some void and also the working space. And the top area is going to be a semi-outdoor area. Some of the area will be covered by roof, and some of the area will be an open area like a rooftop. It is 95.17. That's the size of the top floor, or if I say the second floor area, the top story. Okay, let's calculate how much is it for the total area. So 159 plus 186 plus 95.17. 440.17 square meter for a 3-bedroom. This is big. But it's good. I mean, you want to have your special space if you want to make like a dream house. You're gonna use it for your family. So this size is really good. 440 square meter for a house, 3-bedroom. So yeah, let's go on the detail on the ground floor first. Let's start from the front area. The front area is on the right side. From the main road, you will have one car parking area, one car parking, and also a bike parking there. The access is going up. So you see the entrance there on the corner top, on the right side. We have a big door, 1.3. You go inside. They have like a staircase, and you go up right into the outdoor balcony area. And near there is going to be a pool area. In the corner, you will have like a sunbed area there. So the organic pool is work really well with the building, because on the building we have some corner that natural also. So in the ground floor, after the balcony or the outdoor area, semi-outdoor area, you will have inside the dining area. In between of the dining area and the kitchen area is going to be the staircase that goes to the top, to the first floor. In the kitchen area, it's going to be a void. This is going to be connected to the ground floor in the first floor. And in the front of the kitchen area, from the the island, kitchen island, is going to be the living room space. The best view that you can get on this floor is from the living space. In front of the living space, you will see the pool, the garden. On the right side is also the garden. So this is going to be like a very beautiful point of view. And not to forget, last but not least, on the ground floor, on the back you will have like a toilet for the dress, and also a laundry space, and a separate building on the corner there. On the left side, on the top, is going to be the storage area. So that's it for the ground floor. Oh yeah, in this land, they have also two access. They have the main access from the front, which is can be accessible by a car. But in the back part, they also have a small gang or like small road that can be accessed by only motorcycle. So that's going to be on the left corner on the bottom. That's going to be the access from the scooter. So that was the ground floor. Let's go to the first floor. Yeah, like I said, on the first floor is going to be all the bedroom. The master bedroom is going to be the biggest area with the bathtub, double sink. It was right in the front of area. So in this point, they have like a balcony. Their main view is the view across after the road, across the building. That's gonna be their main view. You can see the rice field from there because it's very high, the position. And yeah, from the staircase, you see that we have the void, we have the alleyway there. So we have another staircase that leads you to the very top, like a rooftop area. Before there, you will find an office there, or like a multifunction space for their working space. And for the other bedroom, this is typical. The bedroom is quite typical. They only have, the difference is one of the bedroom. If you want to go to the other bedroom, like the last part, you need to go through from one of the bedrooms. So this is quite complicated yesterday, but they decide they can live with something like this. So before you go to the last bedroom, you need to passing through the other bedroom. They're still okay, but yeah, this is their house. For me, it's not really good, but it still can be acceptable because this is the only way to make everything works really simple. So that was for the first floor. Let's go to the top floor. Now this is the top floor area. This is only 50% of the like ground floor space that they will use. So you can see they have like the part that's going to be the roof, and yeah, at the moment it's still empty because we didn't decide yet what we're going to do there on the top. But for sure, it's going to be like an area for activity, and it has a balcony area or a rooftop area that can see around 180-degree view. This is going to be really high and really beautiful. Yeah, I think that's it about the layout plan. And this is a big building, and I think it's going to be built around more than approximately 1.5 until 2 years. Okay, that was the discussion about the layout. Let's check the 3D image and animation about this project. Check this out. Okay, I think that's it for now. The last video of Mrs. Roma and Mr. Jos. I'm really glad it's finished and final. And yeah, I work with my day for this one. He leads the project, and it's quite complicated. If you speak about a business project, again, I really want to discuss this for you, all you guys that watching the YouTube video. Please remember, in design, don't mix your business and your fun, like your dream. Sometimes people forget about the budget plan. For dream is okay, you can do whatever you want as long you has the budget plan. So sometimes people design everything really expensive, really unique, but to build it, the demand, the progress and everything, the material, the process, it's gonna be cost quite a lot. So making something special is not easy, but if you can achieve and you're willing to get that, you need to prepare your budget plan. And this is what we do. A big villa, and they already built it, and it's progressing. I think it's gonna be like next year should be ready. Okay everyone, I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching in our channel, Gauri Art Studio. Stay tuned for other projects. Bye bye.